Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie in black. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It also has a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. It's a V6 and it's a 4x4. It also has heated and cooled seats up front, heated seats in the back, navigation, as well as a backup camera and a trailer hitch. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have this nice wood grain inlay. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar and also has memory for 2 drivers. You have the leather seats that are quite comfortable with the side bolsters, as well as the Laramie stitching. Off to the side here you have your lighting controls, power pedals, your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the underside you have the controls to moderate the volume. As well, there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. And on the face of the steering wheel, you have your hands-free dialing, you're toggling through your dash, as well as your cruise control. And this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and you can also toggle through the menu, and you're seeing your odometer reading there. And you have an automatic select shifter, as well a little cubby, and you've got the badging for the Alpine sound system. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and as well you can go and touch on the screen for the controls for heated and cooled seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. You also have your navigation, and your map will come up as you touch through that. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. Down below is your volume and tuner. You also have your hazard lights, and then AC. There's dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost. Down below is the integrated trailer brake controller, traction control, tow haul, exhaust brake, parking sensors, and then you've got your auxiliary switches down below. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and as well there's little cubbies there to put items and plug in and power up with your 12-volt, couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and inside you've got the shallow area, and you've got your SD card, as well as USB auxiliary and 12-volt. And then you can click underneath, and that's your deeper portion where you can put other items and close that right up. Off to the side is a 115-volt, and you also have 2 glove compartments. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, and that slides that back window. It's a power window in the back, and you also have the power moonroof. There's also a manual screen that goes across. I'm not going to open it, it's a little bit wet today. And there's your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle in the body on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, chrome and black running boards, chrome door handle with easy entry, so when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. You also have your fuel cap on the driver's side. In the back, the black handle extends to the tailgate, and you have your backup camera right beside that handle. And as well, you have backup sensors on your bumper. There's also the trailer hitch, and you've got your 4 and 7 pin connector beside the license plate bracket. And so then when you want to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch, and it's also locking, by the way. It has a spray-in liner with tie-downs in all 4 corners, and when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and there's lots of levers here, and I only have one hand because of the camera, so I'm just going to show you where it shows that it folds. You've got a lever at the base, and there's also a clip at the back of the seat, and when you bring that down, it folds it flat. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and on the floor you have this nice all-weather mat that goes from one end to the other for easy cleanup. And there's slim pockets on the back of the front seat for storage. In the center, you have a 12-volt outlet, air vents on either side, and the controls for the heated seats back here. There's also a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. And up above, you're seeing the lighting and hooks, and you also have access to a power sliding window. Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.